National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Galveston County in southeastern Texas, east central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, north central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Missouri City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include southwestern Pasadena, Pearland, western League City, eastern Sugar Land, Missouri City, Friendswood, Deer Park, Alvin, Stafford, South Houston, Webster, Northern Manville, Greater Hobby Area, Clear Lake, First Colony, Fresno, South Belt Ellington, Meadows Place, Nassau Bay, and Arcola. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.